Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Mitsubishi Galant versus the Cumi Darat variant. We'll explore what makes each version unique, from their core design philosophies to their intended driving experiences. This detailed comparison will help you understand the key distinctions between these two popular models, guiding you to decide which one aligns best with your preferences and needs for a vehicle. When it comes to power, the standard Galant often comes with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. However, the Cumi Darat variant truly shines with its 2.5-liter V6 engine, delivering a more exhilarating drive. Horsepower can range from around 150 to nearly 200, providing a significant boost in acceleration and overall performance. This V6 configuration ensures a more dynamic and responsive driving experience. Beyond the engine, design and features also set these models apart. The standard Galant provides a comfortable and practical cabin, ideal for everyday use. In contrast, the Cumi Darat often features sportier interior elements, like bolstered seats and unique trim. Externally, you might notice subtle aerodynamic body kits and distinct alloy wheels, enhancing its aggressive stance. These details contribute to a more performance-oriented aesthetic and feel. The driving experience is where the true distinction lies. The standard Galant offers a smooth, comfortable ride, perfect for daily commuting and family trips. The Cumi Darat, however, provides a much more engaging and spirited drive, thanks to its powerful V6 engine and sportier suspension. While the V6 might consume slightly more fuel, its performance often justifies it for enthusiasts. Ultimately, the better choice depends on your priority: everyday practicality or thrilling performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.